and I'm happy to be back to my fatherland. And Nigeria should expect a very intelligent ability to think and perform. Nigeria should expect that the help they needed is here. The hope that is almost teetering is back, and back actively. And we hold every effort to the country of patriotism, dedication, capacity, and ability to do the job. Not negative thinking, not the fact that Nigeria has failed. This country, or this continent, is the greatest of all, and we should be a help. If it's rebuilt, we are builders. If it's construction, we are constructors. If it is assurance, we give Nigeria that we definitely will make a better country out of it all.